The family of the air hostess is now demanding a CBI probe into the death of this ex-air hostess. The family in fact says that they trusted the police with delivering results, but they have failed to do so. The family is also demanding that the accused former Haryana minister Gopal Kanda, who was named by Geetika in a suicide note, must be arrested immediately.
वो ये आदमी उसको मेंटली इतना ऑक्यूपाइड कर दिया था, अब वो इतना मीठा था हमारे सामने कि हम कभी सोच ही नहीं पाए ये हम एक नाग को घर बुला रहे हैं। वो ऐसा काला नाग को हमारी बेटी खा गया है। वो अगर आपके घर में अपनी कोई बीवी, इतना हाई प्रोफाइल का बंदा जो डिजर्व नहीं करता, वो अपनी बीवी अपने आप को और अपनी माँ से हमें मिलवाए, हमारी माँ के पांव पड़े, तो आप क्या समझेंगे? आप पुलिस में कंप्लेन करेंगे? आप कभी नहीं करेंगे। वो भी हमने नहीं किया। अगर हम उस समय हमें 1% भी होता कि ये बंदा गलत है, मैं खुद पुलिस स्टेशन चल के जाता अपनी बहन के साथ।
Meanwhile, investigations into the suicide are underway, with the police focusing on Geetika's laptop and mobile phone to get evidence on whether she was driven to take this extreme step. Police sources tell us that the mobile phone records are being verified, and it has been known that she could constantly receive calls from 2 employees of her company, MDLR. The identity of the 2 officials is not known yet. Police is likely to interrogate the chief coordinator of MDLR group, Aruna Chadha.
Actually, we are collecting evidence. Whatever the evidence is available, we are collecting. So after that only we want to question him, so that it will have a very good idea about his whatever he has done it. So that's why we are they have told, and they have given some copy also. But so far we are analyzing the laptop. It will be known by today or tomorrow.
Well, Aruna Chadha has been named by Geetika in her suicide note as well. Gopal Kanda, the former Haryana minister, who has also been named in the suicide note, continues to remain free. In fact, Kanda insists that he is innocent and that Geetika's suicide has come as a setback to him.
मेरी करीब 2 महीने से ये अपनी स्टडी कर रही थी। मेरी 2 महीने से 1.5 महीने से इससे सिंगल कॉल ना इसने मुझे की, ना मैंने इसको की, क्योंकि एक रिलेशन एम्प्लॉय के साथ अलग है पारिवारिक, पर जो काम करती थी कंपनी में, जो एम्प्लॉय काम करते हैं कंपनी में, उनके टच में उनके सीनियर रहते हैं। मेरी 2 महीने से करीब एक सिंगल कॉल भी इसके साथ या इसकी मेरे साथ नहीं है। जब आप 2 महीने से किसी के टच में नहीं है, तो आप उसको कैसे उकसा सकते हैं?
Alright, so former Haryana minister there claiming innocence, saying that he has not been in touch with this former employee of his the last 2 months. Let's get the latest as far as investigations go into this case from our correspondent Durga Nandini, who now joins us on the phone line. Durga, police currently probing the emails and also the mobile phone records of this ex-air hostess, and that in fact could throw more light on the possible role that this politician could have played in abetting this woman's suicide, as is being alleged by her family.
As far as the family is concerned, Ruchika, they're very clear that there is evidence in black and white. There is a letter that she has left behind, a suicide note, which clearly names this particular minister of Haryana, Gopal Kanda, and another of his associates, Aruna Chadha. So they are saying, why is that both of them have not been arrested yet? It's been more than 48 hours. This is she was found hanging in her house on the morning of 5th of August, and till now there's been no action which has been taken against the politician. So the family is now asking for justice. They are saying that the case should be taken over by the CBI, and they are raising questions as to why this politician is still roaming free when there are clear-cut charges which have been leveled against him, charges of harassment, charges of writing of forged letter claiming that the deceased had actually indulged in some kind of financial irregularities while working in his company. So definitely now he says that there is some kind of pressure which is being mounted on the police to protect Gopal Kanda from preventing them from arresting him, and also the family saying that they want the CBI to step in and take over the probe.
And the accused minister is still free. He has been booked for abetting suicide of his ex-employee Geetika Sharma, whose family is now alleging that there's been a cover-up in this case. Durga Nandini, thank you for joining us with those details.